get the phone. Stop touching me, man. What is he doing? I'm trying to help you.
It's your girl Shy, and I'm back with a video. I'm doing a prank on JaVon today. So right now he went to take his sister to school, and he also went to go and pick me up some Shipley. So y'all, if y'all see me rusty right now, it's because it's early in the morning. But I'm gonna do a bloody nose prank on JaVon. And okay, let me see something.
Is that the credit one black pocket? For your fancy,
Turn out so I can hear. I have this little thing of blood here from when I had for my when I did my Halloween costume makeup on my channel, so make sure y'all go check that out. So I'm gonna use that. I don't think it has a lot of blood, but I don't want too much of that stuff on me, even though it's gonna dry up and I can just take it off easily, but I don't want it to drip everywhere. So I'm just gonna take I'm just gonna take that blood there. I'm gonna put it all over my face, but I'm not gonna do it until he's here. And I'm gonna act like I'm going to the restroom for something, and I'm gonna put it all over me, and then I'm just gonna call him in. So he's already gonna be here when I start the prank. And yeah, that's how I'm gonna do it. So I'm gonna hide the camera probably behind this little plant that he has on the toilet, on the like the top of the toilet. I'm gonna hide it there because that look like that's the best angle for the camera to be. I'm not gonna position the camera now. I'm just gonna put the camera somewhere inside of the restroom so that way it'll be easier for me to grab. Next clip y'all see, I'm gonna be setting the camera up and I'm gonna get my prank started. So hopefully it goes good. He's not gonna know what's about to hit him, y'all. I'm finna have this blood everywhere. Hopefully it'll go everywhere. I'm gonna try to fill up the sink a little bit so it look like I was washing my face and then I drip some of the blood in there or something. So yeah guys, I hope this prank goes good. It's gonna be our first prank since being back on the channel with pranks and challenges. So yeah, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe to our channel. Spam it up in the comment section. Team Shy all day, every day, baby. Okay y'all, so JaVon is back. He's currently watching a video in the room right now. Now being able to change pants. So right now I'm gonna act like I'm washing, well I need to wash my face, but I'm act like I'm washing my face, and then I'm gonna put some of this blood all over my face, and then I'm gonna put some on the sink. So yeah guys, let's get this prank started. Babe! Babe! Good!
Yes. What?
Babe! Babe!
That's the problem with LA. I drive right, but I can get to the left, you know what I mean? I know it's not type of
JV. Babe, hurry.
Why you saying it, bro? You saying it, bro? Because like you can't score, and then you can talk about it. What you do is you shoot the shot, go in the frame, and then you rush to the bathroom, and you try to let them work with you. Hell no. Bro, that's not like
Yeah. What the? What's he doing?
My nose is bleeding.
Why your nose bleeding?
I don't know. I was washing my face and it started bleeding.
What?
Babe. My nose is bleeding.
Why your nose bleeding?
I don't know. I was washing my face and it just started bleeding. Babe, help me.
Oh, whoa,
Babe, help me.
whoa. Chill. Chill, fam.
Hey.
Where your phone at?
I don't know. Why am I dying? Babe, my nose is bleeding.
Hold on, Ricky. Let me go.
Babe. It's in my mouth.
Babe, why your nose bleeding?
I don't know.
Is it because it's cold outside or something?
I don't know. I was washing my face and then I wiped my face off and then everything. It was just a lot of blood. Ow! That's my stomach.
Man, that's a lot of blood, bro.
Please help me.
What you want me to do?
I don't know. Babe. Where you going?
I'm gonna wipe it off.
No, babe.
Babe, that's a lot of blood.
Help me. Why you never want to?
What the ain't no freaking. Man, you lie. I know you playing.
Why you always
Stop touching me. I'm trying to help you, nigga. What's wrong with you, bro? Stop touching me, man. What is he doing? I'm trying to help you. Stop. Just stop. Shit. I'm trying to help you. What are you doing shit on me for?
What's wrong with me?
Stop. Move your hand. Put your hand down. Babe, I'm not playing with you. Put your hand. I'm not playing with you. Put your hand down. I'm not. Babe.
Hey. Why you
Stop! Babe, I'm not playing
You
with you.
never want to help me.
I'm trying to help you, but they keep. Stop trying to put your shit on me, bro. Put your hand down. Give me your hand. Move your face. Stop. Wash your hand. Wash your hand off. There's a lot of blood. Let me see your nose. Stop. Babe,
I'm not doing nothing.
Why is, babe, this is a lot of blood. It's coming from your nose or your mouth?
Yes, I know.
Why is all over your mouth?
I don't know. Babe. You gotta wipe it like this. I'm trying to
Don't touch me with your hand. Don't touch nothing on me, bro. I'm trying to help you.
Babe.
I'm gonna call Granny.
Why you calling Granny for?
Hey, you call somebody who knows something about this.
Babe, just take me to the emergency room.
You got money for the emergency room? You got money for the emergency room?
Go look in my car. It's something in there. It's
Wash your hand off.
Okay, go look in the car. It's like a blood cloth in there. Like a cloth for the
Girl, nothing to go in your car. I might come back, he might die.
No.
Yeah, that's a lot of blood.
Babe, it's something in the car. It's a towel that I put in the car.
What it do?
It's like a microfiber towel. It helps suck up the blood a lot.
What?
It's better than this, so it'll stop coming out.
It's in the car, is it?
Yes, it's in the truck. Why are you pushing me?
Why keep wiping put the towel by your nose? Sure, put the towel by your nose. Don't touch me, babe. I swear, don't touch me.
I wiped it off.
Hold it by your nose, because I don't want to keep running out. She says in your car?
Yes. He's coming back.
Babe, I don't see no. Whoa!
Jesus Christ.
It's bleeding again?
Who you calling?
Stop! Stay where you at.
Who you calling?
Put your hand over it, keep dripping on the ground.
Oh.
Move your hand, babe. Put the why you putting your hand? Bro, you look like a freaking vampire, bro.
Babe, it's in my mouth. Babe.
Babe, my heart beating fast as hell.
Why? Let me see. Oh.
Bro.
You always playing. Hey, this is serious. My nose is bleeding. I don't know why it's
Wash your
bleeding.
hand and hold it.
Hey, I don't know why it keep bleeding.
Wash your hand. Wash your hand. Wash your hand.
Babe,
Wash your hand. Wash your hand.
it's not gonna stop.
Wash your hand. Wash your hand off.
Babe. It's not gonna stop. It's gonna keep going. Look at all my blood down my arm. Babe. Who you calling? Why you calling your sister?
Who?
Why you calling your sister?
Wrong number. I'm trying to find her number.
What's Granny number?
Stop touching me. Stop touching me. Cause you're not listening. You want to take the ER?
No.
So what you want me to do?
Babe,
I'm gonna rock your stuff, bro.
Babe, what you gonna do?
Don't touch me with the blood, bro.
You gonna help me?
Move your hand. Move your hand. You know what? Give me this. Give me this. What's this?
No, what you gonna put alcohol on me for? Why?
Stop, babe. Stop playing with me, bro. I'm trying to help you. Why you keep touching me for?
Girl, we supposed to go through this together. Don't put no.
We all go through it together with me.
No.
Oh my god, I'm gonna rock your stuff, bro.
Cause you'll never listen.
It was at this moment that she knew she fucked up.
It's a prank.
Stop playing with me, brother. Look at
It's a
you.
prank.
Yeah, pull up something around you would.
It's a prank. I got.
Bleed to death.
Y'all, this nigga pour alcohol on me. Babe, come back. Baby, what you doing? It's just a prank. Help me.
Hey, stop playing. You play too much. That's not funny.
Huh?
That's not funny.
What you mean? Babe, why you pour all the alcohol on me?
Man, look at all the mess you did, bro. Look at all the mess.
What mess? I didn't do this.
Look.
What happened? What happened?
This was unnecessary. Look at that alcohol.
Oh yeah, that's chalk. Oh, look at your face. Babe, you bleeding too. Oh. Yo, he mad at me, y'all. Look at him, look at him, look at him.
You think it's for a joke? When it happened for refuel, I ain't gonna take it serious.
Why?
You guys actually be bleeding. Bleeding.
What?
I'm not laughing, bro. I'm not laughing.
Yo, you mad? He started stuttering. Babe, that's not gonna come out for 24 hours.
What?
What you just called me?
What you just say?
What you just
What
called
you just
me?
say?
What you just called me? Stop! I got the camera. Y'all look at him trying to scrub his face.
It's coming off.
I know it's the blood I used for my video when I did my Halloween makeup. Yeah. Ooh, I look weird. They look at me.
Like, come on, man. You gotta think before you act sometimes, bro. You find the most weirdest prank, the most messy prank ever, bro. You waste. Look at all the stuff you just did for no reason.
Why? Why for no reason? I needed to do this. We needed a prank. Look, this is our first time back as pranksters and as challengers. I had
Why
to
you got my stuff out here?
What stuff?
My stuff.
Babe, you're not gonna help me though? I'm bleeding. Oh, y'all, my neck itching. Y'all, he bad at me, y'all. Baby, I love you.
Ooh, I'm trying to watch the video.
Babe.
Don't turn the light on.
Why? I love you, babe. I love you. I love you, baby. I love you. Got me put alcohol on me and stuff.
Cause I tried to tell you was bleeding.
What alcohol we gonna do?
Take away the bacteria, goddammit.
Alright, y'all. He finna help me clean this mess up and it. Why? Babe, you gotta help me. Cause this is a lot. Alright, y'all. I'm gonna end the video right here. If y'all think this video was funny, it was something light, something slight. I'm finna wash my face off right now because this stuff is sticky. Like I said, that blood is like, it's costume makeup. And it sticks on you and it make it, so right now it's dried up, but it looks like it's still wet. So yeah, I'm about to wash my face because I cannot see, everything is blurry. So I hope y'all enjoyed this prank that I did on my husband. Y'all think I did good? Spell in the comment section right now. Team Shy Money right now. Team Shy Money, I did that. Okay, now I'm finna get ready for the day because we got stuff to do. So I'll catch y'all next video. Peace.